Your SoClean Device Disinfector parts. Chamber. Place your items inside the chamber during a cycle. Lid. Opens for access to the chamber. Lid latch. Keeps the lid of the device closed securely during a cycle. Lid gasket. Seals the lid in order to contain ozone within the chamber. Make sure that the lid gasket is not damaged by inspecting for visible cracks before operating a cycle. On the back of the device disinfector, you will find the power input. The provided power supply plugs in here. Phone charging port. There is a USB port for convenient charging of another device. Air inlet. Air enters the device from this small hole and is converted into ozone during a cycle. Filter door. The filter goes in here. The device will not operate a cycle if the door is open or if the filter is inauthentic or missing. Filter. Converts ozone in the chamber into oxygen. The device will remind you when the filter needs to be replaced. On the top of the lid, you will find the control panel. Houses buttons and displays indicator icons and warnings during operation. The lid open button. Opens the lid when the device is powered. This button can also be used to cancel an active cycle by pushing and holding for 5 seconds. Cycle length button. Used to set a 5, 10, or 20-minute cycle length. Cycle start button. Starts a cycle. Display icons. Cycle complete. Solid green indicates that a cycle is complete. System. Solid red indicates when your device has detected an issue that prevents it from operating a cycle. Contact customer care for assistance. Flashing red indicates that the lid cannot be opened because a cycle is in process. Filter issue. Flashing amber indicates that it is time to order a new filter. You can still use the device during this time. Solid amber indicates that the filter has expired and will need to be replaced. You will not be able to operate a cycle. Filter door issue. Solid amber indicates that the filter door is not completely closed. Check the filter door and open and close it securely. Cycle length. A solid blue light indicates what cycle length has been programmed. 1 light for 5 minutes, 2 lights for 10 minutes, and 3 lights for 20 minutes. Cycle progress bar. The progress bar gradually turns blue from the left to the right, indicating the progress of a cycle. A solid red bar indicates that an active cycle has been interrupted, for example, because of a temporary loss of power. Setup. Plug one end of the power adapter cord into the back of the device and the other end into an AC wall outlet. There is no power button. The device is powered and on when it is plugged in. Install the filter. On the back of the unit, open the filter door. Make sure that the blue rubber gasket on the filter is facing the chamber as shown. Insert the filter and close the door. Operation. Open the lid by pressing the lid open button. Place your items to be disinfected inside the device chamber. Do not stack items in the chamber. The ozone needs room to flow around the items. Also make sure not to block the ozone port at the bottom of the chamber. Close the lid. Press the cycle length button to select your desired cycle length. The default cycle length is set to 20 minutes. Press the button once for 5 minutes, twice for 10 minutes, and 3 times for 20 minutes. Once your desired cycle length is set, press the cycle start button. When the cycle complete icon lights up green, you can now press the lid open button and remove your items. For questions regarding setup or